Today we're going to be making our gamographs. So you should already have your two pictures drawn. On the back side, your numbers should be going from 1 to 8. Okay, so double check to make sure that they're going from 1 to 8 and they're not sideways or upside down. We're going to get started by cutting. We want to make sure we cut along as straight as we can. If we do this really fast and it's crooked, the whole thing will be crooked. So I'm going to start with 1. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to place it in back where it would be. Okay, so I'm going to now I have my drawing and I'm going to cut it on the back side. So I'll take this and I'll do the same steps where I'm cutting evenly on the back side and then placing back in order on my desk. Now look at my emojis and make sure they look correct. If anything looks off, I'll double check the number behind it. Make sure it's sandwiched between where it needs to be. So I am limited on my table space, but I'm going to take a paper and I'm going to start gluing. I'm going to work left to right. So I'm going to take my glue, open it, and I'm going to start with 8 purple and then I'll do 8 teal. Make sure I want to cover it all the way. Ideally, I would not be working on my paper. I'd be working on my desk, but I want you to see the process. Okay, it's very important that I line it up to the corner. And I make sure it stays lined up even on that edge. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to set these aside because I don't want to keep moving them out of order, because then I'm just doing more work than I need to. So I'm going to slide these off to the side. Okay, now I'm going to grab 8 teal. Make sure you load it up with the glue. And I'm going to put it right up to the edge where there's no white spaces. Because if you get a little bit off, the entire thing will be off at the end. Okay, so I did 8 purple, 8 blue. Now I'm going to do 7 purple, and then I'll do 7 blue. Then you might have a little white space. We're going to cut that off. You're going to write your name, number, room number. You could write it at the very end. Then we're going to fold it in accordion folds. So we fold one side down, flip it, find the line, fold it down. So this is also another reason why it's important to have straight cuts. Because now I'm just feeling where my cut is at and applying pressure to make that crease. Okay, then I open up my Agamograph, and you can see one image here, and then another when I turn it. So there you have it. Now you're made your own Agamograph.